Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time it is that you're joining me for this video. Thanks once again for clicking on the PenBoyRoy Fountain Pen Review channel. The subject of today's video is the unboxing of the 2021 release of the Leonardo Momento Zero fountain pen. Let's get to it. All right, before I get started with this unboxing, please be sure to check out my sponsor, Pen Chalet, over at penchalet.com. Check out the description down below for information on how to score yourself a discount on your purchases at Pen Chalet. Just to give you a spoiler and a hint, just use coupon code GOODWORDS at checkout for an extra discount on all things on the Pen Chalet website. Now, on to the unboxing. This is the 2021 release of the Momento Zero by Leonardo Officina Italiana. Now, we have the familiar outer sleeve. This is cardboard. It's got some information on it and some quotes, Italian words. They got good words. More than 45 years of experience from father to son, and the story goes on. Dun, dun, dun. Greatest and best sticker in the world. We're going to slide this off, and inside you have a black box. This is not very different from the previous iteration. You got the Leonardo Officina Italiana, the wings, the model name, Momento Zero, Alga, RSF. I don't know what the RS stands for. F probably stands for fine. We're going to open up the box. And on the inside, we have a brushed, finished clamshell box that's a little mashy on the top, firm, but has some give. We flip this open, and we have our Momento Zero collection booklet. There's something in here. A Made in Italy card, Italian flag colors there, nothing on the back. Put this off to the side. This booklet has information on the inside, such as photographs of other pens to make you salivate, some words in Italian and English, more words, more pictures, whatever that is, and the back page. Very nice. And we have our pen. Look at this. It comes in an unsealed plastic pen body bag. I'm having trouble getting it out. Wow, look at that. So it comes with a little tag with the Leonardo wings on it. We're going to pull that off. All right, look at that. I think they call this like spaghetti pattern. You have the branding, Leonardo Officina Italiana. This one is number 30. Okay, unscrew the cap. Look at that. Check out the cap. We got 3 center bands. Nice clip, tension fixed. We have a rose gold plated nib, Jovo nib. And that's a major difference. It's a Jovo nib as opposed to a Bach nib, Jovo feed. Screw this puppy open. We have the included screw-in converter with the metal knob. Now check this out. Just in case you're feeling crazy lazy and you just don't feel like going through the whole unscrewing, you can just do it like this. Unscrew the piston knob, and now you have a piston filler. It's like a transformer fountain pen. Gorgeous acrylic. I like it. This pen was provided to me for review by Sarah Beth over at Pen Chalet. Thank you, Sarah Beth, for making this happen. I love it. I like it. I like it a lot. And that was the unboxing of the Leonardo Officina Italiana Momento Zero 2021 edition. Stay tuned for a full-blown, in-depth review coming soon. Thanks again for watching. Love you guys. Be well. Be safe.